quick lesson I learned from our new dog. So I had work to do and I didn't have time to go out to play with her. And what happened was she started barking. And she didn't stop until I went out. Until she got a response to her actions. Okay, maybe she's tired, she goes to bed, she sleeps. Next day she wakes up and she will continue barking until she gets a response. We should be like that. She knew that we are inside and that she will annoy us enough that we will pay more attention to her. And that's what happened. This dog is probably grinded harder than I did in some parts of my life. Sometimes I remember I quit it sooner than this little new dog did. And it's important to realize these little kind of like miracles, but it ain't really a miracle, just be aware of what's happening outside of you. And you can see that even the dog is on her purpose. She's grinding harder than some of the guys who think they will make millions. It's not enough. You have to bark harder. Maybe thinking that what you are doing is going to make you successful, versus thinking that you need to do more. Hence you try to do more every time. Which one is more likely to get you successful? The first one is kind of complacent, comfortable with the grind. You have to have a fear inside of you that you might not reach that goal if you don't give it all your time, all your energy. This has to be your attitude.